Do you know that aside from the famous 100 yen shops scattered around Japan, there's another one price for all kind of shops that offers trendier products for just 300 yen, and that is 3COINS. 3COINS is a famous shop in Japan that sells all of their items for just literally 3 coins or 3 100 yen coins plus some change, and that's how they came up with their name. There are so many branches of 3COINS around Japan, and their assorted items are useful, durable, and of course, trendy. They have both classy and cute stuff too, so you can have more options on what to pick based on your preference. You'll see fashion jewelry, seasonal items, umbrellas, toys for kids, cleaning tools, pet items, bathroom and laundry stuff, and kitchenware. You can also find sunglasses, clothing, and fitness items. There are bags too, travel items, makeup products, and electronic accessories. If you love 100 yen shops, you'll definitely love 3COINS too.